Greetings. We glad to introduce you a Merida ONE-29, 8020 year bike. 120 CF4 frame full carbon frame incorporating Nano Matrix technology for additional impact resistance. Smart entry cable clamping system for rattle-free running. Tapered head tube for precise steering, boost standard and rear through axle for rear end stiffness. Floating rear shock provides 120 mm of travel. Non-slip tightening selected bolts can be tightened via a TORX 30 key from just one side, without running the risk that the opposite side slips or turns, allowing faster and more straightforward tightening of important hardware components. Float link suspension. The lower shock mount moves with the system to deliver plushness and pedaling efficiency. Do you like this video? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details. And subscribe to the channel.